Wonder Boy's always doing something to keep himself occupied. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy and Wonder Boy Farm. Well, this evening we're going to be attended to these goats and sheep, which we're just going to give them fresh feed. And see, they're all hanging around looking nice, pretty, and look, they are all healthy. Thank God. I try my best to keep them alive. Where I live in, if you don't know what you're doing, it's hard to keep these goats and sheep alive and keep them healthy. And every time you bring in the vet, it's $500–600. So a poor man can't afford that, so I got to take care of them myself and make sure I learn. I give them their shots, their medicine. They vitamin, iron, salt, and make sure I feed them clean. So these goats is getting a bag right now. That's for them feeding time right now. So when I get to do this and feed them, I can get to check them. If anything wrong with any of them, I will know. So far, all of them healthy. They're high, clear, and they're standing good. I tell you something, these goats and sheep eat better than me sometimes. Yeah. So Wonder Boy's always doing something to keep himself occupied. So people, I got a whole lot of contents. All I want you to do, like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that button. Just tell me you want more of Wonder Boy. I said him more. Lots more of Wonder Boy. Just like and subscribe. So now we walk into the back, checking the water trough. Because I gotta check it once a week. I gotta check it once a week, see if they get in water. So I'm gonna walk to the back. By the way, this is the state of Florida. It's calm, nice relaxing place where nobody bother you and you bother nobody. Everybody is friendly and everybody is nice, and it's wide open. That's as you see. There's no house. It's just wide open and nice and clean. They keep it down. They keep it right down. So therefore I don't have to be fussy to jump on tractor and lawnmower to cut these grass. And anybody who want to know where I'm from Jamaica. Born and bred in Jamaica, in the parish of Kingston. I was born in Kingston and bred in Kingston. Then I moved to the States and I adopt all of this when I moved to the States. And don't forget, I like the outdoors. That's the best. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the water trough is good. So they know where to get water. Yeah, come. Yeah, so once a week I gotta check their water. But right here, the dogs them move from one side to one side. So in the night, the dogs them come over and they would sleep with the goats and then go back over in the morning. And sometimes they're in here during the day. But if you look behind me, it's all wilderness. But they have a lot of bobcat and coyotes will come and get these animals if you don't have the dogs. Dogs is very important, ladies and gentlemen. Well, here nobody bother your animals then, so you don't have to worry about humans, because there is nobody ain't gonna take nothing from you here. So you don't have to worry about people stealing your goats and all of those things. So you can really walk free, raise what you want to raise, you know. As you see, ladies and gentlemen, you see all those goats there and never lose one. They're always there. Nobody bothering them. And that's the good thing about here. I want you to like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Wonder Boy coming to you with a lot of contents. So look out for Wonder Boy next contents coming up soon.